Good day, everyone. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of mint. Mint, scientifically known as mentha, is a versatile herb renowned for its numerous benefits and uses. It is widely appreciated for its contributions to digestive health, aiding in respiratory issues, and as a popular culinary herb due to its refreshing flavor. Mint possesses cooling and soothing properties, making it a valuable addition to various remedies and recipes. For medicinal purposes, mint is used to relieve indigestion, gas, and bloating. It can also help alleviate symptoms of colds and respiratory congestion due to its menthol content, which acts as a natural decongestant. Additionally, mint is known for its ability to calm nausea and support overall digestive comfort. In terms of cultivation, mint thrives best when grown in spring and summer. It requires regular watering to maintain soil moisture, ideally in well-drained soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Once established, mint plants can be harvested continuously by plucking leaves as needed. Discover the refreshing power of mint, from soothing stomachs to tantalizing taste buds, your garden's new favorite.
Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.